So hi there. Today we're gonna do a quick unboxing of the iPhone 15 Pro. So let's open the box and see what is in the box. Like if I never opened one. So if you never had an iPhone, this is what you're gonna be getting. You're gonna get a SIM injector, depend on your location, because I think in America now they just do eSIM, so you get manual and SIM injector, and then it's clean. And then you get stickers. Depending, I got all of them, like 10. I never used none of them. And braided white Type-C to Type-C. To be honest, that white color, if it get dirty, you don't want to see it. And I'm not a big fan of it, to be honest. I'm not. Anyway, so let's see the iPhone itself. What I like about it is I'm always a big fan of what you call it, Max, but I think this one just good. It's just different. Like, it's more in the hand. You can feel it's not too big and all those things. So I just like it how it is. So maybe I'll be going more often for the Pro, but sometimes they put in Pro Max that is not on the normal Pro. So also, like, I don't know, I just edit a lot. I find it easy to edit a lot on my phone, so I just like the bigger screen. That's the thing. So if you never had an iPhone, that's all you get in the box when you pay for 900 something, almost £1,000. That's what you're gonna get in the box. Braided Type-C to Type-C, manual SIM tool injector, and stickers. SIM injector depending on location, because in America now is eSIM, so it's gonna be a little bit different depending on your location. So anyway, so one thing that actually, like, I don't understand, because now they finally bring the Type-C on iPhone. Oh Lord. And I never understand, because Apple is one of the founder of Type-C. And okay, to be honest, I really like lighting build and the design. I really like it. It looks solid and all those things, but it's outdated, and they got all the technology in Type-C, and they don't want to bring it to to their lighting. And lighting was so slow, transfer data was so slow. I don't know what type of game they play. Sometimes I don't know. Sometimes I ask myself, like, people in the office or people working Apple, like, are they happy that way? But it's business day, because we are all silly buying iPhone all the time. So that's what you get. And by now that we have the Type-C, it's all good. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.